In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a table, an actual collapsible table. This is all a full-on table, and this is by the company called Mission Mountain. And just kind of like going over the bag here, it comes in a very nice bag. I have had this out and put it together and put it back in the bag for the purpose of this video. And then right here's a little set of instructions on how to put it together. So it's not hard at all. It's super simple to put together. Gives you kind of like a little breakdown of what you're supposed to have in the bag, and you know, a little tag, it says Mission Mountain. How cute is that? So let me show you what's here. It's actually got two sides to it. So here on the left side, there's your table, and here on the right side, you're just getting a bunch of little parts. These are very nicely constructed. I love how they did that with the Velcro and how it just flops out like that. And check it out, you almost have these together right away. Look how fast that was. Two of those, you get four of these, and you get two of these, and then two of these, and there's the middle bar. So these parts right here are the four legs that's gonna go around it. So you get this part right here, you could see how that kind of goes together. Very nice how that goes together. And you can kind of see it's kind of self-explanatory. It's almost kind of like super simple. You don't even need any instructions. I didn't use any instructions at all with this. And look how easy. Look at that. I'm already got a table almost put together. How awesome is that, everybody? See that little push pin right there? What's this? Is that not simple? And you can go all the way down, so you can have two different types of settings on that. So see those white marks? Make sure they're facing inward, and now you can just go around and do it. So let me go around and do the rest of them, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. So once you have that, this has a left and a right on it. You're going to turn these like that, and you see how I have this pole right here? This is going to go in here like this. You hear how it all just kind of like snaps together? And you can see how you can kind of move these around. Pretty much it's done right now. The tabletop, and check it out. You see these lines? See this little bar right here? You're gonna mount that first bar. Make sure it clicks into place right there. There it is. It's clicked in on that side, clicked in on that side. That's it. These right here are some spare ones right here if you want to lock it in, if you break one of those off. Check out how nice this table is. Very impressed with the setup on this. You see that? Is that not awesome? And the specs on this thing, I'm thinking it's 3 feet by 2.5 this away is what I'm looking at, and maybe 2.5 off the ground, but it has adjustable legs. These legs can be lowered and make it a little lower. So if you want to put it up like on a stump or a picnic table or something like that, you can. But one thing that I think this is really good for is on the beach, backyard barbecue. If you're just wanting to have like a backyard barbecue or picnic, throw this thing up, and you don't even need a picnic table, because technically it's a picnic table in and of itself. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Mission Mountain collapsible camping table. See you guys in the next video. Woo!